Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2016 Indian Roadmaster. This cruiser has 23,800 miles on it roughly and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. Bike's nice and clean. I haven't found any type of tip over damage, anything like that. A few minor little scuffs and scratches from actually being ridden. Tires on it are in good shape, got some miles left on them. It comes with footboards for the driver, footboards for the passenger, upgraded seat, 14-inch pullback apes, saddlebag luggage racks, a rear luggage rack, and twin Vance & Hines chromed pipes. Rear tires, well, good shape, got some miles left on it. Getting a bit of a flat patch in the middle though. And again, the downturn tips on the Vance & Hines, saddlebag racks, rear luggage rack, upgraded seats, passenger footboards, driver footboards with a heel toe shifter. And again, last but not least, the 14-inch pullback apes. All right. $23,764 is what's on it. I did forget to mention the air intake. Alright. This 2016 Indian Roadmaster is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping. SimplyRideUSA.com.